What if you could jump into the ocean and just keep going down? No bulky scuba gear, no holding your breath until your lungs are about to burst. Just you, swimming alongside a whale, exploring a shipwreck, and breathing as easily as you are right now. What if humans could breathe underwater? It sounds like a superpower, right? Straight out of a comic book. But let's actually think about what that world would look like. First off, our bodies would have to be radically different. We couldn't just magically start processing water. Human lungs are designed for air, which is about 21% oxygen. Water, on the other hand, has less than 1% dissolved oxygen. So to survive, we'd need something more like gills. Imagine having delicate, feathery structures on the sides of your neck, or perhaps a more advanced internal system that could efficiently extract those tiny amounts of oxygen from the water passing through it. Our circulatory system would also need a major upgrade to work more efficiently in colder, high-pressure environments. Our eyes might evolve to see better in the dim blue light of the deep, maybe even developing a second transparent eyelid like crocodiles have for protection and clarity. Our skin would become tougher, more resilient to salt water, and perhaps even a bit more streamlined. Okay, so we've got our new water-breathing bodies. What happens next? The entire map of human civilization would be redrawn. We think of our world as 30% land, but suddenly the other 70% becomes prime real estate. We wouldn't just have coastal cities, we'd have ocean cities. Picture this. Sprawling metropolises built on the continental shelves, with buildings made of pressure-resistant materials, bioluminescent algae lighting up the streets, and transportation systems of personal submarines or trained dolphins. We would farm kelp forests and ranch schools of fish. We'd mine precious minerals from hydrothermal vents on the ocean floor, unlocking a treasure trove of resources we can currently only dream of. It would be our backyard. This would create a completely new economy. Marine architect would be a common job. Deep-sea geologist, aquatic farmer, whale communication specialist. The possibilities are endless. We'd have new sports, like a three-dimensional version of soccer played in open water, or races through intricate coral reef canyons. Art and culture would be transformed, with sculptures designed to interact with ocean currents and music composed from the sounds of the deep. But it wouldn't all be a utopian paradise. There would be new dangers, new conflicts. Who owns the Mid-Atlantic Ridge? If a company pollutes a current that flows into your underwater city, is that an act of war? We'd have to deal with immense pressure, the crushing darkness of the abyss, and the creatures that live there. Creatures we've only seen in nightmares. A casual swim could put you face to face with a colossal squid. Not exactly a relaxing day at the beach, and perhaps the most profound change would be to our own psychology. For all of human history, we have been creatures of the land, looking up at the sky. Suddenly we'd have a new axis to explore. Depth. An entire new frontier, vast and largely unknown, would open up right beneath our feet. It would fundamentally change our perspective on our planet and our place in the universe. We'd be a two-world species, equally at home on the sun-drenched plains and in the silent, starlit depths of the ocean. The question is, would we treat our new home with the respect it deserves, or would we make the same mistakes we've made on land? Would we see the ocean as a world to coexist with, or just another resource to exploit? Breathing underwater is a fascinating what if. It's a change that would redefine not just our geography or our biology, but the very essence of what it means to be human.